Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and I want to introduce you to TT, our tiny turtle. We just got something super cool for TT. Let me show you.
This is the Hypool turtle tank. We love this turtle tank. You can see that TT is about the size of a quarter, just a little bit bigger than a quarter. So this turtle tank really is the perfect size for her. She has so much room. Something else I really like is that this heat lamp comes with it, and they actually give you 4 bulbs. Another feature that is really awesome is this little adorable water feature. And the waterfall is movable, so you can move it to wherever you might like. Our TT thinks that this is one of the greatest. She will push herself and play with that little waterfall forever. It is the cutest thing to watch. I love that cleaning is a snap with this tank. Once you pop the top off, it's so easy to wash everything out. The gunk stays at the bottom, so your tank and the water stays clean for so much longer. A quick wipe will keep everything clean and tidy, and then your turtle tank is ready to go for your turtle again. It takes me a fraction of the time to clean this turtle tank compared to others.
If you're looking for a turtle tank, I highly recommend this one by Hypool, and that's just my point of view.